Hi guys, and welcome back to Crafty Elaine. Today we'll be doing a rustic closet desk tutorial using the full interior of the closet space in order to complete. Now let's get to measuring. Say hi guys.
Hi guys. Hi guys. And hi guys.
Now we have measured and cut our wood planks and we have inserted them in the closet. As you can see, they fit perfectly. So now we're going to take them outside to have them stained and give it the finished look in order to complete our desk. For the wood stain, we'll be using the Varathane wood stain. It is a gray colored stain that we purchased at our local hardware store. Weathered gray is the color that will be on the wood. Wanted to give it a very natural color. That's the reason why we chose that. And also don't forget to purchase an oil paint and stain brush. When you're dealing with wood stain, you want to make sure that it can soak in the oil from the stain on the brush in order to get a great result on your wood.
Alright, you want to stop the press, hold on before you do anything else with your wood. I made a critical mistake, guys. So listen, as you can see, the Varathane wood stain is what we purchased from the store, right? Pretty gray color wood, right? Right here. Now, I, of course, you know me, didn't bother to read. It says here, remember to protect with Varathane polyurethane, meaning when you paint your wood, it's not going to have a shiny coat, nor it's going to have a protective covering. It's just going to be stained wood, and it's exactly what it looks like. There's no shine to it or anything. And I'm like, oh my goodness, I don't believe I did this. So I already had some polyurethane here at the house, so what I did was I just painted over this and just touched it up lightly, covering it, which gives it a nice shine, gives it a good covering coat over the actual wood, and gives it more of a professional look when you finished product. My mistake, you guys. Totally did not read. So excited to see the weather gray color, should have known that of course it doesn't come in this particular color. Just an update, guys, that you know another additional step you have to do before you have to complete your wood desk is to make sure you buy polyurethane paint. Even if you buy the stain or buy the weathered stain to change your color wood, you're still gonna have to buy polyurethane paint to make sure that it has a finished and completed look.
And there you have it. Our very own rustic closet desk has been completed. One thing I love about this desk, it was a very simple project to put together. The wood looks beautiful and you can't even tell that you've done it yourself. It looks like you purchased the whole desk from the store. I love that professional look about it. And the great thing about a closet desk is you can always open it or hide it when you're having company. And it also leaves space in your area for adding additional furniture and different pieces in that particular room. I hope you like it and hope you guys come back soon, and don't forget to subscribe. If you like this video, please like us. Comments, we'd love to hear from you, and don't forget to check out our blog, www.craftyelaine.com. See you guys later.